And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
A little surge of warmth is being thrust up and over our warm front, and it's riding up over the Arctic air. So as that air is pushed upward, it condenses. We're getting snowfall to come down. And north of that warm front, we're also getting a little more lift, a little bump from this little wave on the warm front too. So bottom line is we've got this band of pretty steady light snow over the area, though there is one spot where the snow is a little more enhanced. Note this dark blue line here, and also another one right here on the Montgomery-Tippecanoe County line. We call that frontogenetical banding, and that's just banding where that warm air is really being pushed up over that warm front. So you're getting these little very narrow, like 3 to 5 mile wide bands where the snow's enhanced. So the snow's definitely enhanced here from Dayton right along Veterans Memorial Parkway and then westward to just south of Shadeland, West Point, Odell, right through towards Kramer, Rainsville, and West Lebanon, that area, and also the Independence area, if I can spit that out, in the Black Rock Preserve area. That's where the snow is coming down at a little more of a moderate pace. And that band continues here to just south of Rossville on 421. So that area probably has half-mile, quarter visibility. And then as you go northward, the visibility is a little bit better. It's still snowing. It's just not as heavy as you get into that band. So snow at Monticello, Rensselaer, Logansport as well. We got the snow at Kokomo, snowing around Kempton and Frankfort. So it's that area that will probably have a band or two that we get 1 to 2 inches of snow. I highlighted this blue area because there'll be a couple or a few narrow corridors, maybe even only 3-4 miles wide, that do get the 1 to 2. The rest of the area, 1 inch or less of snow is expected, and the snow should really begin to wind down pretty rapidly once we get to 7 p.m. and then after that it rapidly begins to push out of here and diminish. But it's cold. Temperatures in the teens area wide right now. We're headed for 9 to 18 tonight. Some partial clearing. The wind going to the east, the warm front kind of moving northward a little bit and kind of stalling over the area. So 18 Petersburg, but 9 at Winnemac, wind chills 2 below to about 10 above. So that wave of snow pulls away as the wave pulls away, but the warm front will be slowly moving northward. So as it slowly moves northward, it will warm up. We're up to 33 tomorrow. Mostly sunny early and then becoming mostly cloudy later on in the days with the front moving like this. It's only 30 Winnemac, but we're pushing 40 down towards Covington, mid-30s at Frankfort, 32 Fowler. They're your AM wind chills and your PM wind chills. PM wind chills 21 to 31. Saturday though, the warm front's north. Rain comes in the afternoon, 46 for a high. The wind cranking up from the southeast with highs at 42 to 48. So here's 7:30, snow pulling out. There's 8:30, finally 9:30. It's done. The warm front's about right here, very slowly migrating northward, and eventually we get into the southeast and southerly winds. And watch the rain come in here. Watch the clock. There's Saturday. Rain overspreading the area late afternoon and into Saturday evening. Pretty solid area rain by Saturday at 11 p.m. And we get some rain into Sunday morning too, and I think it's all going to add up between about 1/4 and 1/2 inch. And then we will likely get another 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain on Monday as you see this wave of rain come through. And then later next week we'll watch this. Still got to watch like Wednesday or Thursday for the potential of getting some snow. 48 Sunday, 55 and rainy on Monday, 34 Wednesday. We'll watch for some snow Thursday. The cold lingers on a little bit longer, but eventually we'll get back to the 40s a week from Sunday.